guys, it's Cassie.
And it's Lizzie, but I won't be in most of this video.
Yep, because today I'm going on a trip and I decided to vlog it because it's going to be like a fashion thing, so why not?
She's looking at me if you're ever wondering where.
Yeah, I just decided to film. I'm very nervous because I don't usually vlog on trips, but technically the teacher said that she wasn't gonna be like around, like we don't have to stick together, so it's just gonna be me and a friend.
Tell me, can you hear me now? Can you hear me crying out like an animal out in the wild? I shout your name into the night. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel the love just like I do. Only you can make it right. I shout your name into the night. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you.
Trying to get an establishing shot here.
IKEA.
Hi, Cassie.
Hi.
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Bye-bye.
I'm recording now. We have to film the outro.
Oh, we forgot to film the outro. So here it is. We hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up.
If you want to see more from us, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when we post. Also, all of our social media will be linked down below.
Bye!